Good afternoon. Today is Friday, September 23rd, 2022. I am here in Marsh Landing, and this is the 24-foot long Roballo. I am halfway done with cleaning it, but I thought it would be a great time to do a comparison video. First, I'll show you the clean side, what you guys would probably expect the bottom of your boat to look like, versus what it was when I first started. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, so that's probably what you guys expected. There is a little bit more hair growth on that side, which does definitely show up more on the white bottom. But that stuff's a little bit more trickier to get off. But let me go ahead and show you guys what it was prior to me cleaning it that far. So as you can tell, we've gone quite a long way so far. We're definitely not going to keep it like this. We're going to clean the whole thing. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit more insight.